can see him better. He's eating his nut. See if he has it. In his mouth.
Oh, see that.
Right here. Right here.
Squirrel!
He's hiding it.
Where's he gonna hide it? He's holding it and saving it for winter.
Maybe.
Yep.
There he goes. He's digging.
Go, Scully! He's digging in
He
the
did. Oh my
grass.
God! He just buried it. That's so funny.
Okay, let's see if it gets more.
Anyway,
Oh, he's
What
going
is
up to get his food now.
what's this? What's this? Oh, is it that?
He's burying him, Mom.
Yeah.
I got video of him burying the other knot.
He got
Oh,
another.
he's eating this one.